Over 50. Do not use castor oil alone. Support matters more than intensity. After age 50, collagen declines naturally. Skin structure changes gradually. Elasticity reduces. Firmness softens. Moisture escapes faster. Barrier function weakens slowly. Repair takes longer. Sensitivity increases. This is biology, not failure. Support protects function. Support preserves comfort. Collagen supports strength. Collagen supports resilience. Collagen supports structure. When collagen declines, external support becomes meaningful. Topical care supports the surface. Internal nutrition supports from within. Castor oil is dense. Castor oil is protective. It seals hydration effectively. It supports barrier function. It contains ricinoleic acid. This supports conditioning. But density slows absorption. Penetration becomes limited. Used alone, support remains mostly superficial. Surface protection helps, but deeper support is limited. Mature skin requires balance. Protection is necessary. Absorption is necessary. Protection without penetration is incomplete. Penetration without sealing is temporary. Balance improves effectiveness. The missing partner is rosehip seed oil. Rosehip oil is lightweight. Rosehip oil absorbs quickly. It contains essential fatty acids. It supports renewal environment. It helps maintain elasticity. When paired with castor oil, functional balance forms. One oil penetrates gently. One oil seals hydration. Penetration supports delivery. Sealing supports retention. This combination supports resilience. This combination supports comfort. Mature skin responds to gentle care. Aggressive treatment increases sensitivity. Support works gradually. Gradual support is sustainable. Simple method. Consistent routine. Mix 3 drops castor oil. Add 2 drops rosehip oil. Apply to clean skin. Skin should be slightly damp. Massage upward slowly. Continue 1 minute. Use at night. 3 to 4 times weekly. Consistency is more powerful than quantity. More oil does not increase benefit. For joint comfort, warm the blend between palms. Massage gently around the joint. No pressure required. Avoid irritated areas. Always patch test first. Many users report softer skin. Many notice improved comfort. Gradual improvement is meaningful improvement. Healthy aging supports function. Healthy aging supports independence. Small habits create lasting outcomes. Support today protects tomorrow. Repetition builds adaptation. Adaptation strengthens resilience. Resilience supports daily function. Function preserves independence. Independence supports confidence. Confidence improves well-being. Stable routines support stability. Stability reduces stress. Reduced stress supports repair. Repair supports structure. Structure supports comfort. Comfort improves quality of life. Common mistake number 1. Using castor oil alone. Common mistake number 2. Applying oils to dry skin. Common mistake number 3. Using excessive quantity. Common mistake number 4. Expecting instant results. Effective care is patient care. Natural oils support environment. They do not force change. Gentle care protects fragile systems. Aging is adaptation. Influence remains at every stage. Daily care shapes long-term results. Hydration supports flexibility. Barrier protection preserves moisture. Balance supports collagen environment. Simple care repeated becomes powerful care. Protection plus penetration. That is complete support. Castor oil protects. Rosehip oil supports renewal environment. Together they create functional support. Consistency trains the body. Consistency stabilizes response. Stable routines are sustainable routines. Care reflects self-respect. Support reflects intention. Future comfort begins today. Preventive care is effective care. Healthy aging is guided, not accidental. Consistency protects long-term strength. Long-term strength supports daily freedom. Support is a daily decision. Daily decisions shape lifelong outcomes. Gentle routines protect structural health. Protected structure supports confident movement. Movement maintains circulation. Circulation supports nourishment. Nourishment supports repair. Repair maintains function. Function sustains independence. Independent living supports dignity. Dignity supports emotional well-being. Emotional well-being supports physical resilience. Resilience supports recovery capacity. Recovery capacity preserves vitality. Vitality sustains active years. Active years create meaningful living. Meaningful living supports longevity. Support prevents unnecessary decline. Prevention preserves capability. Capability supports participation. Participation sustains engagement. Engagement supports mental sharpness. Mental sharpness supports safe decision-making. Safe decisions support long-term health. Long-term health supports quality of life. Quality of life is built daily. Daily care protects future comfort. Comfort supports mobility. Mobility supports independence. Independence reduces vulnerability. Reduced vulnerability supports confidence. Confidence supports consistent action. Consistent action strengthens outcomes. Strengthened outcomes reinforce commitment. Commitment sustains healthy routines. Healthy routines protect structural integrity. Integrity supports reliable function. Reliable function supports daily living. Daily living supports purpose. Purpose strengthens motivation. Motivation sustains consistency. Consistency protects resilience. Resilience protects independence. Support the body gently. Support the body regularly. Support the body intentionally. Gentle support prevents overload. Preventing overload preserves balance. Balance supports coordination. Coordination supports safety. Safety supports confidence in movement. Confidence in movement supports activity. Activity maintains strength. Strength preserves stability. Stability protects mobility. Mobility preserves freedom. Freedom supports active participation in life. Participation enriches well-being. Well-being strengthens longevity potential. Care that is repeated becomes protection. Protection that is consistent becomes strength. Strength that is maintained becomes independence. Independence that is preserved becomes dignity. Dignity supports peaceful aging. Peaceful aging supports quality living. Support your body before problems appear. Early support reduces future strain. Reduced strain preserves energy. Energy supports engagement. Engagement sustains joy in living. Joy supports emotional resilience. Emotional resilience supports physical health. Physical health supports continued independence. The body adapts to what you repeat. Repeat supportive care. Repeat protective habits. Protection is built through routine. Routine builds reliability. Reliability builds trust in the body. Trust in the body supports confidence. Confidence supports activity. Activity sustains life quality. Life quality supports longevity. Support is an investment in future ability. Future ability depends on present care. Present care protects tomorrow's strength. Tomorrow's strength preserves independence. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Stay protective. Care with awareness. Care with intention. Care with respect for biology. Support your structure daily. Protect your function daily. Preserve your independence daily. Small actions repeated daily create powerful protection. Powerful protection supports lifelong capability. Capability sustains freedom. Freedom sustains dignity. Dignity sustains well-being. Well-being sustains active aging. Active aging sustains longevity. Stay informed. Stay consistent. Stay supported. Subscribe to VitaSignal 60. Trusted wellness guidance. For adults over 50. Consistent habits. Sustainable health. Stronger aging.